In this video, we'll go over how to fix the identity verification failed issue on Coinbase. If your verification isn't going through, here's what to check. Start by making sure your personal info on Coinbase matches your photo ID. Go to your profile, select Manage Account, then go to Personal Info and tap Edit. Update your full name, date of birth, and address to match your ID. Save the changes. If you change your name or country, Coinbase might ask for more verification. When uploading your ID, do not send it by email. Always upload through the Coinbase app or website. If it doesn't work in your browser, try using the mobile app or switch to another browser. If you've tried too many times, you may need to wait before trying again. This cool-down period cannot be skipped. For your camera setup, make sure your webcam and microphone are working. Use an updated version of Chrome and give it permission to access your camera. Your ID photo must be clear, bright, and free of glare. Don't use any filters or watermarks. If it gets rejected, take a new photo with better lighting. When taking your live selfie, use natural light and turn off your flash to avoid glare. If you're waiting for a verification email and don't see it, check your spam folder. You can also clear your browser's cache and try again in a different browser. If the email link doesn't open, copy and paste it into the browser directly. Make sure your email supports HTML. If nothing works, contact Coinbase support. Before you do, check that your information is complete, your ID images are ready, and you're not using the same device for a call and the ID upload. Follow these steps and you should be able to fix the identity verification issue on your Coinbase account. Thanks for watching.